Hi, this is Peter Bell. I'm recording this portion of the video for our group project for Thinktank Solutions with our CRM solution and audit principles having to do with the remote. Okay, so to start with, I'm just going to let me show you these several ones down here. Yeah, starting with audit principles from COBiT domains. Yeah, on the screen just basic explanations about risk management and why that matters. I suppose I could have gone more into detail on other aspects of it, but the risk area seemed the most germane. So yeah, that's all I focused on here. But yeah, basically looking through COBiT domain principles, we organized a few different things. So we'll go here, planning and organization. This tab shows a number of things having to do with planning and organization, showing specific things relating back to COBiT domains, specifically citing them, and then, as you can see, risk type, policy description, process method, control method. This is the same thing for the next several tabs that we have down here: acquisition and implementation, delivery and support, monitor and evaluate. It's all the same. The same type of thing. But yeah, this one where we're focused mostly on types of risk, things that could go wrong. And so yeah, if you go through here, you'll see more specifics about it. And then acquisition, implementation, same type of deal. You got a specific COBiT domain that it references back to over here. And then more information over here with the policy, the process, and the control. And we'll go over here to the next area, which is delivery and support. It's the same kind of thing, slightly different layout. And then, again, if we go over to the next one, the final one, monitor and evaluate, you'll see the same kind of thing. Again, a little bit different display. So, yeah, I mean, each of these COBiT domain things, it's some specific area that you're going to be dealing with. So with monitor and evaluate, you're, in this case, a monitoring method. How are we going to monitor it? How are you going to deal with control exceptions, or getting independent assurance, making sure that everything looks good, getting an outside party to verify it. So that's that. And then, oh, maybe I should go back a little bit and show you that's the same deal here with delivery and support, where each thing is something significant. Change management. What do you do when there's a change that happens? How do you document it? This and that. Service management, when there's something that needs to be done. All that. But I mean, all this stuff is pretty self-evident. If you read it, you'll see it. It makes sense. And then, yeah, this one I guess I didn't also kind of lay it down again as well. So high-level design for the implementation type. Yeah, I mean, just read through all these things. This will show you what we're looking at, what we're talking about. And then for the CRM audit plan, so after you've gone through all those, this is really just an approach to doing an audit, an imagined audit. So purpose, evaluate the CRM system for IT audit compliance. That's those things that we were just looking at. Scope of it is just the business's CRM system, so just internal. Criteria, really basic. Are IT policies developed through COBiT domain principles being followed? What issues, if any, have been revealed as a result of the audit? So like, if things aren't working, exceptions, for instance, if it becomes pretty obvious in the middle of the audit that things aren't working the way they're supposed to. We'd like to know that. But also just ideas for improvement, that would be great. So yeah, the objectives would be validate compliance and then also determine what, if any, enhancements may be needed. So we have tabs down here that didn't get filled in, but they don't seem to be really necessary. So they're still on here, but just ignore them. All right, so that's basically a rundown of this portion of it. All right, thank you. Have a good night.